guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to make Samosa Chat. We have chole here. We need to put chole into the boiler, cooker. Then we have water. We have to add half the bottle into. Mommy. So I'm going to add the chole into the boiler. That should be good. Now we should add half the bottle till here into the boiler. A bit more. A little bit more. Now, Mommy.
Hey guys, so now it's my chance. So after adding the chana, we have to add ginger garlic paste, and this is homemade. My mother made this and it's very yum. So add half tablespoon of each one. Now the other one.
That looks yummy.
Now after adding the half teaspoon, we have to add 1 full teaspoon of salt. This much should be good. Now in, we're done. Mommy. So guys, we have set the chana in this, and now we're gonna boil it till 5 to 6 whistles.
And till then it's boiling, we can just prepare the samosas. So we have the dough here. We took a portion of it, and now it's time to roll it. Now we have rolled it. We cut it into 2 pieces, and this is what we're doing in the coronavirus lockdown.
So guys, I'm going to show you how to stuff it and how to fold it. So here's the samosa. We have to add water in the edges. Like that. Okay. Then we have to flip it over. Flip it over and fold. Actually guys, I apply the water in the wrong side. We have to apply it on this side. So let's take the water. Just like that. Then flip it over. And fold it. I'm going to show you all how to fold it. So, once the dough is here, like this, bring this in the middle and this on top of this, then fold this here, and open this little thing, and make a cone shape in your hand. So this is good. So here's the homemade stuffing of aloo, chana, masalas inside it. You don't have to, you can add how much ever you want. I'm going to add about this much. Okay, this much. Once you put it in, push it back like this. And then, we're behind this, you have to take it like this and put it like this. One. So guys, here is my mini samosa, and now we're going to have to fry it. So we're going to fry it good. So our chana is coming through here. I think 2 whistles are over, and then at the end I'm going to show you all how to plate it.
Hey guys, so now we're going to do the plating. And for plating, what we need first? We need a plate. Let's make all the way, as much as you can. Even more. Some more. I think that should be good. And now, we need to add the cooling. Let's add some. A little bit more. Just a bit more. And after that, we should add some sprinkle of some of these. This is sprinkle of now let's add some curd. This is going to be yummy. I think that should be enough. Let's add this. This is good. Now time for the garnishes. We have to sprinkle these. Everywhere. Yes.
More sauce.
Perfect.
Wash away.
And now just a little bit of chili. But now it's time to add some onions. Let's add a good amount because onions are very healthy. A little bit more. I guess this should be enough. Let's take my spoon and let's taste it. Take some samosa. Now, let's mix it before we eat. So now we can taste everything. Even samosa. And now it's time for my brother to come in.
So guys, since when we were making samosas, we even decided to make Dahi Puri. And I could not make my samosa video because I ate it. It was just looking so good, okay? Don't blame me. So now I'm going to show you all how to make Dahi Puri. So guys, let's start with the plate. First, we need a plate. We have one plate. So here's our plate. Let's take 7 to 8 of puris. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So you have to prick them.
1 minute.
Now she's eating her samosa chat. Now I'm going to show you guys how to make Dahi Puri, and you all might be wondering why I did not make my samosa chat video. That's because I ate it because it was too tempting. Don't blame me, okay? Okay, so first we have to get 7 to 8 puris. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now once you have them, you have to prick them all. I'm going to show you how to prick it, then you can do it too. Just put your thumb in just like that. Yes. Pehle ye. So guys, we have to take some chole which we made earlier and fill it in these puris. Take some more. So guys, I have stuffed the puris with chole. Now time to add the other ingredients. We have imli chutney or tamarind chutney. Let's pour it. That should be enough. then some of this homemade spice. I'm just taking a sprinkle it. That should be enough. Now some curd. Let's actually add a bit more. You know, spicy is always awesome. More. Actually, we have to add a lot of curd because this is Dahi Puri. So just add a lot. No stop. Do this forever. Do this till you die. Never stop. Or don't die. So this will be more better. You can do it forever. More. Okay, I think this should be good. Let's add some spice. Spicy is awesome. Time for a bit more of this. That should be good. Now, okay, let's go with some onions. More onions. Some chilies. Now, some save. Here, I'm going to take it. Sprinkle this. Sprinkle a lot of this. Should be good. Now, I'm going to take dhania pati or coriander. And done. Here is our Dahi Puri. 100% homemade. Totally. So guys, I'm again tempted to eat this, so I'm going to end the video here. So stay tuned for the next episode, which we will be baking a cake tomorrow. So